Hi, today I'm going to make banana cake. You need ripe banana to make banana cake. Yesterday, I bought banana. Very freshly yellow. It's nice to eat as it is. But this is not suitable to making. Oh no! But don't worry, I can show you how to make this fresh yellow banana to brown ripe banana in 1 minute. Just have a look. First you take one banana and a toothpick. You make many holes around the bananas. Then you put it in the microwave oven for 30 seconds. Microwaved banana have the same nutritional value as ripe bananas. Banana have the effect of cooling the body, but they are relieved by warming. Like this. This is just 30 seconds in the microwave oven and it became like this. You need to wait. It's hot. Still hot. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay, banana is not so much hot now, so let's peel the banana. How is inside? Wow, it's still hot. It's okay. Yes, it's ripe. You can smash with fork very easily. Let's make 1 cup of them. Hi, my banana puree is ready. I used 2 bananas to make 1 cup of banana puree, like this. Okay, let me explain ingredients. I need 2 cups of normal flour and 120 grams of unsalted butter and keep in room temperature. 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of salt and half cup of fresh milk and 1/2 cup of sugar. Today I'm going to use brown sugar. Okay, this is very simple cake. You can just mix and stir it and put in a tin and bake it and do it. So first of all, you have to prepare baking tin like this. It's glazed with butter or shortening or oil and put in a baking sheet like this. You put salt and baking soda into flour and mix nicely. And I use stand mixer today. You put the butter in the mixer and the sugar. Mix nicely. Well blended. The sugar and the butter was well blended, so just feed down and you put the slowly egg inside of butter mixture. Okay, now beat again. When mixture is very whitey and became puffy, feed down. Now you add bananas inside. Then mix again. Mix well. You add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then now I'm going to put flour. To put flour, I change to paddling this. Change this. So it won't be over mixed. Okay. I put flour inside, but very low speed. Otherwise, if you do very high speed, the flour became burst here. Okay?
If you want to add chopped walnuts or chocolate chips to the banana cake, at this point mix the walnuts or chocolate in the flour and put in the butter mixture. This prevents chocolate and walnuts from sinking down the cake.
And then I add milk. Okay, once flour is mixed with butter, this is enough. Okay, very simple. That's it. Now I'm going to put this in the baking tin and bake it. Just make a flat on the surface. Okay, now I put this in the oven.
Bake it in 180 degrees preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes. Yes, banana cake is done. It is good to have a slice of banana cake and a cup of coffee for your tea time if you have high blood pressure. The polyphenols contained in coffee have the effect of lowering blood pressure, and banana also have a good potassium to prevent high tensions. Therefore, the blood pressure is lowered by the double effect. Let me talk about bananas. Do you know that bananas change their nutritional value depending on the temperature you eat? Fruct oligosaccharides which increase when baked are difficult to digest compared to other saccharides. So the least intestine are there and help the good bacteria. As a result, the intestinal environment improves and seems to play a role in suppressing intestinal problems such as diarrhea and constipation. So how about cold bananas, like they are frozen? The amount of polyphenol contained in banana increases. Polyphenols are superior in the antioxidant actions that partially poisons active oxygen. Antioxidant action is believed to suppress all aging, and anti-aging effects such as wrinkles and sags can be expected. In addition, polyphenols also have an antibacterial effect, so it is effective in preventing acne and rough skin. This is good news! So I decided to make dairy-free banana coconut ice cream as an appendix. This recipe does not require any special tools, but surprisingly very delicious. Let's try it. A little bit long and boring banana lecture was continued, so I came outside to changing environment with green and tropical music. Yes, I'm going to make banana coconut ice cream, which is dairy-free, no milk, no cream, but very healthy, easy, tasty ice cream. Let's start. Yes, what you need is Ziploc bag and 150 grams of bananas, 100 grams of tofu, and 50 grams of sugar,
and half cup of coconut milk. First you put the bananas in a ziploc, then mash with hand. Then tofu, sugar, coconut milk. Just put all inside. Mash as smooth as you like. Took out air of the back and put in a freezer like this.
Sometimes you take out from freezer and mix by hand. You repeat this action around a few times. It will take about 5 to 6 hours to be completed.
Hi, banana coconut ice cream is ready. I put roasted coconuts on top. Let's eat. It's nice to eat outside. It's green. Today's good weather.
Down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shines gaily on the mountain top.
That's banana.
I took on a sailing ship, and when I reached Jamaica,
It's very yummy. If you don't believe me, just try it.
say I'm on my way.
It's banana. You can eat as banana cake. You can eat as ice cream. There's a many way to eat. And depends on the temperature. You can get a different type of nutrition. And this is quite amazing fruit. Please try banana cake and banana coconut ice cream. See you. Bye.
Here are songs everybody knows. Me say day, me say day, me say day, me say day, me say day. The Caribbean.